Morning traders, Nick Master Market News here to bring our daily market bias video for Wednesday, October 10th. It's approximately 4:50 or 10 minutes to 5 a.m. in the East Coast. Apologies for the late arrival of this. Unfortunately, Verizon had an outage in this area, which pretty much shut down our internet access, so we had to wait in line, so to speak, before they brought it up. Apologies for that. Be that as it may, in the Asian markets traded mainly higher, with the exception of the Aussie exchange as well as the Singapore exchange, which is traded down. Currently, right now in Europe, and is currently ongoing. Up until a little while ago, all of Europe was trading to the downside. However, it appears as though the Milan exchange is trading fractionally higher at this particular time. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. Bonds, however, trading lower. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and Australia average pointing to a lower open. And gold is trading lower at this hour as well. Crude oil is trading lower. There is correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as of this broadcast. In terms of economic news that we have today driving the markets, or potentially driving the markets, at 8:30 a.m. we have PPI, core PPI. These are major. These are proven market movers. We have wholesale inventories out at 10 a.m. We have U.S. bond auction starting at 1 p.m. this afternoon, and then we have a Treasury currency report, which can come out at any time today. All this being said, a bias is neutral, and the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias is just about everything that we track is not pointing in the right direction, so to speak. Gold is trading lower. Bonds are trading lower. Crude is trading lower. In theory, the indices should be pointing to a higher open, and right now they are not. They're pointing to a lower open, which means the markets themselves doesn't have very much of a sense of direction, hence the neutral bias. In essence, this means the markets could go in any direction today, so something to be mindful of trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks, hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.